Okay, so now this one is another source for the mechanical design process. Another books. This book is the from David G. Ullman. Okay, you can get this book from library lah. So here is to present the relationship, three groups, product design. So we are in these groups. Another one is the manufacturing, production. Another one, business, also quite important. These three groups, they have their own connection, interconnection. So if you are from business, much more focus will be in targeting market. Let's say your product, what is your target? Oh, young people or elders people or kids target market. Promotion, how to do promotion, how to do sales focus, how to distribution the coverage, okay, and price. This one is from the point on business. If we are from design, so we much more thinking about what materials to use, what is the product function, product forms, and sometimes also think on manufacturing process. Okay, how to process the part, how to manufacturing it. Production, they will be think on cost and the risk during the production. So facilities, what facilities we need, like CNC machine, turning machine, and a lot of machine. Okay, production planning and manufacturing process also. So these three groups, we need to be corporates. Get information from the business, keep contact with the productions. So our design will be much more better. So in fact, design just involve 5% from the overall. Most of the our product is 50% is material. We also need to consider labors almost 15%, overhead 30%. Design is the initial stage. Involve just 5%. Okay, but how important for this 5%? Okay, here to show you. Let's say you are average design, average manufacturing, the cost is $8. But your good design very effective, so your cost will be reduced. What if your poor design, but quite effective? Okay, drop a bit. Okay, if good design in effective manufacturing, your cost go very high. Okay, so design and manufacturing both is important. Design just 5%, but that means it's very important and affected for your products. Okay, so this one to show you with the continuous of the time, the percentage of the product cost committed. Let's say at the beginning of the time of the design, you involve a lot of a percentage in the develop the spec and conceptual design. You involve a lot of time, think and think again, do and do again. After you go to the manufacturing, then your cost committed will be lesser. If you're not much using the time in the initial stage, afterwards you got the problems, your design didn't think so details, your cost will be increased. Okay, so that means the design is very important. Okay, so this one is to compare just 1989 and 2002 lah, but now the latest one sure is different. Let's say last time, let's say our father, mother, or grandfather's time. So the design, the products can work as it should is more important. The most important, I buy this one, it can be works. Second, you can use for a long time. You imagine last time you buy a washing machine, you can use for 30 days. Not 30 days, 30 years. Okay, you can work for 30 years. Okay, not much spoil. Very easy to maintain. Okay, just maintain some part, change, that's all. Not much attractive is okay. But now, work at it should be is still the first one. Okay, but more important is a look attractive, must be attractive. And then latest technology, yes. Can use for a long time, less important. Easily to maintain, less important. So they have calculated, the designer have calculated the fatigue, the life for the products. Used for 2 years or more cannot use already. You need to change. Used for 5 years is too long. Okay. So there can be have more and more better products coming out. Okay. This one is the 2002 lah. But how about 2020? I think it will be works. It should be almost like this one. Okay. Attractive. Okay. And change very fast. Can I?